Have you ever wandered down the dairy aisle, caught in a staring contest with a carton of eggs? On one side, the pristine white eggs gleaming like tiny moons, and on the other, the rustic brown eggs looking like they just came from a charming farm. It's tempting to think that the brown eggs are the health champions, packed with protein and golden yolks. But spoiler alert, it's all about chicken genetics, folks. Picture this. The color of an egg is like a badge of honor for the chicken breed. White-feathered, white-eared chickens like the Leghorn are the egg-laying MVPs of the commercial world, producing those gleaming white beauties. Meanwhile, the red-feathered, red-eared Rhode Island Reds are busy laying their rich brown eggs. And let's not forget the quirky Araucana chickens that lay eggs in shades of blue and green. Talk about an egg-sighting surprise. But regardless of the hue, it's all just a colorful facade. Now let's crack into the egg formation process, shall we? It takes about 26 hours for an egg to go from a twinkle in a chicken's eye to a proud product on the shelf. For the first 20 hours, the egg is a blank canvas, all white and ready to go. It's in those final hours that the brown chickens get artsy, applying a natural pigment called protoporphyrin 9, transforming the shell into a rustic masterpiece. And guess what? If you crack open a brown egg, the inside is just as white as its counterpart. Plot twist. So, why do brown eggs often have a price tag that makes you gasp? It's not just clever marketing that paints brown as the healthful option. It's the simple economics of supply and demand. In the end, whether you choose white or brown, remember, it's what's inside that counts. Did you know that the size of a chicken can determine the color of its eggs? That's right. The larger, heavier breeds that lay brown eggs are like the bodybuilders of the poultry world. They need more food, more space, and more energy to keep those muscles flexing. But here's the kicker. All that extra muscle means your farmer is shelling out more cash for chicken feed. And guess who gets to foot the bill? Yep, you guessed it, it's you at the checkout counter. Now let's crack a myth while we're at it. Nutritionally, brown eggs and white eggs are basically twins. The real difference? It all boils down to what the chickens are munching on. Whether it's a brown or white shell, the vitamins, omega-3s, and yolk richness are influenced by their diet, not the color of their feathers. So, next time you're strolling through the supermarket, strut with confidence. If you're on the hunt for the healthier option, keep your eyes on what the chickens ate, not the hue of the eggshell. It's just a quirky twist of genetics, like a little reminder of the fascinating biology hiding in your fridge. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Simple Things Surprising Histories. If you learned something new today, give that like button a tap. Share this with your friend who thinks brown eggs are the golden ticket. And don't forget to subscribe for more delightful discoveries from our everyday world. Until next time, keep those explorations going.